Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to draw an elephant. Now get ready with your A4 papers, pencil, eraser and colors. Okay, first we will draw the head of the elephant. Draw a small circle. Right next to the small circle, draw a big oval shape. Like this. Then erase the extra lines. Now we will draw the eye of the elephant. Then let's draw the trunk and mouth. Don't forget to erase the extra lines. This is how we draw the ear of the elephant. This is how we draw the legs and toes. Erase the extra lines. Finally, we will draw the tail. Now let's see how to color it. I use light blue for the eye. Then I use pink for the ear and mouth. I use white for the toes. Then I use grey for the body. I use black for the outlines. Do you like this elephant? You also draw a nice elephant and color like this. Thank you.